Hello, fly babies. Hello, my lions. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I am here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today, for our 3-layer cake, we have our routines, we have our weekly home blessing, and we have that's our weekly plan. Basic weekly plan is a weekly home blessing, and the third thing is our zone. We're in zone 3, the bathroom, and one other room. Okay. So let's talk about the 3 things, the routines. Everyone, whether you work or not, you're going to do a morning routine, you're going to put kids through their routine, and any other kind of chore-related routine, which is like dogs, gardens, things like that, that happen every morning. That's the routines. The other routine we're doing is laundry routine, paper routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine. So everyone's going to do those, whether you work outside the home or not. The second thing is the weekly home blessing hour. Everybody's going to do all or some of the weekly home blessing hour. If you stay home, I encourage you to do your weekly home blessing hour in one big chunk. If you work, I encourage you to at least do one of the 10 bits of the weekly home blessing hour. The weekly home blessing hour, as a reminder, starts with stripping your bed and washing your sheets. So the laundry today is your sheets. So get your bed stripped this morning. Don't make it. Okay, the second thing is empty all the little garbage cans and put liners in them. Totally a kid job. The third thing is dusting the whole house. If you have a good fly duster, a nice feather duster, that's going to be a breeze. You can get the whole house done very quickly. The third thing is wiping all the spots on the glass. Kids can dust, kids can wipe spots. They're not cleaning the whole thing, they're just wiping the nose prints, wiping the fingerprints. The fourth thing is you're going to mop. You're going to mop your kitchen, just the traffic areas, and the entire bathroom or bathrooms. And then the last thing is you're going to either dust mop, sweep, or vacuum the hard surfaces or carpets of your house. Each one of those things takes 10 minutes. So again, it's laundry. Not laundry. It's your sheets, which is laundry. It's dusting. It's wiping the glass. It's emptying the garbage. It's mopping the kitchen and bathrooms, and it's dusting, like dust mopping or sweeping hard surfaces, vacuuming carpeted areas. That's it. So pick one of those things to do today. I recommend if you work that you strip your bed today and get the sheets done, okay? And then tomorrow you'll do the next thing. If you're staying at home and you're at home fly baby, then you're going to do the whole thing. So it'll be all done. You don't have to think about it again and you'll feel good. All right, the third thing of our 3-layer cake is zone 3. That's the main bathroom and one other room. That doesn't mean that, let's say you're going to pick today your laundry room. That's your other room you want to work on this week. But that doesn't mean you're going to work in the bathroom and the laundry room every day, both of them. You're not. You're going to pick one or the other. I'm going to make a suggestion. Everybody asks me, when do you do your tub? Well, whomever's in the tub or shower is to wipe it out when they get done. It's part of like putting your pajamas in the dirty clothes or wiping the toothpaste out of the sink when you spit out toothpaste when you're a little kid or squirt it in there. Wipe it out. So whomever is in the tub, their job is to wipe it. Whoever's in the shower, their job is to give it a little wipe so it looks nice. Okay? And then when you clean it once a month, you're deep cleaning it. And you know, during those interim weeks, you can certainly go in there once a week and give it a good spray down and wipe it. But it's not a deep clean. The deep clean comes now. So I'm going to suggest that you clean your tub and or shower. That's what I'm going to suggest. Again, 15 minutes maximum. We may be detailed cleaning, but we are not perfectionist cleaning, okay? All right, get in there, get the job done, get out. All right, so that's it for today. You've covered all 3 bases. If you work, when you come home, you're going to start your laundry then. So you've already stripped the bed, so start your laundry. Keep your ear out for it. You want to get those sheets. Anybody who washes sheets or anything, keep your ear out for it. Put it in the dryer. Keep your ear out for it. Go put it on the bed. Nothing worse than getting in bed at night or getting ready to go to bed at night and there's no sheets on the bed and you're tired and they're still in the washing machine. Oh, terrible. Or in the dryer is the second worst thing, but in the washer. So keep your ear out. Be aware. Okay, I've warned you. All right. So that's it. Now, if you're working, you're going to come home, you're going to do the sheets, you're going to go through your paperwork, and then you're going to start supper. While supper is simmering, because you didn't have a chance to do it this morning, you're going to do your zone. So you're going to go take care of the tub or shower, whatever it is, in the main bathroom. And don't spend more than 15 minutes. Come back and finish dinner. That's it. After dinner, everyone is going to do the after dinner routine, which is a cleanup with the family, and then the before bed routine. If all these things sound strange to you, perhaps you haven't watched my video, How to Do the FlyLady System for Newbies. I highly encourage you watch that. It's 40 minutes long, and you will need a pen and paper to take notes. It will give you the background and help things be more easily understood. It's on my home page. If you have done that and you're doing this and you still want more, please be aware that 2 out of every 3 weeks I do 3 live videos a week, on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. On the 3rd week, I'm taking care of my parents at their home 24/7 for 7 days, so I am not going to be available to do a live video, but I do them the 2 weeks I'm home. And then if you still need more, I do 5 daily videos, 5 a week, on my Patreon page. All right, that's it. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.